Minister of Tourism and Aviation, the Honorable Dionisio D'Aguilar, and his executive team toured the newly built oceanfront Margaritaville beach resort and one particular harbor at the Pointe. The team said they are excited for tourists and residents to experience this new development.
So I'd heard a lot about the property, and I was delighted to have the opportunity to tour this incredible property. Being blown away by the quality of the finishes, by the offerings that it will have, not only food and beverage rooms, condos, but this incredible view that you see behind me. Nassau as a city has such incredible views, and this property does a wonderful job of picking up how incredibly beautiful it is to come to downtown Nassau. So I was delighted to come here today and to see this property. So it's a 300-room property. It's going to employ 400 Bahamians, and it has taken a piece of real estate that was really dilapidated and run down and transformed it into an incredible addition to our tourism product. The diversity of rooms, the diversity of offerings, the fact that it's downtown, the fact that the boardwalk is going to provide our cruise passengers with something else to do in Nassau, to walk along this beautiful view behind me, is going to really enhance the city of Nassau, really enhance the things to do when you come here. So I'm very excited for it to open, and it's just it's really beautiful.
Parliament Secretary Travis Robinson said this new development will impact the industry significantly.
So Margaritaville, this property is just another awesome addition to our tourism product that we have today. It is a major impact to the Bahamian society, as well as the economic impact that this will have for our country at large, and then just for our society. When you think about the small businesses that will be a part of this, the Bahamians who would sell the shrink rits and the hair braiders just next door on Junkanoo Beach. This property bodes well for our economic recovery, as well for the general society at large.
The 6-acre development will feature a 45-slip marina, the LandShark water park, and a miniature golf course for both tourists and residents to experience. I'm Joshua Robbins, and this is Tourism Today.